Hello, my name is Amalia. I'm 23 years old. I'm from Craiova. I live in a big city. I have a sister. I graduated the faculty of environment engineering. I have a sister. I live with my sister, my mother and my grandmother, and I have a little pet. My parents are divorced, and that is this is my person in my family. My experience with children, I think I have a connection with children because I have a little sister younger than me, and with my sister I was the first thing when I take care of a child. I love children very much. I can understand with they, and they attached to me. And together I think we'll do a good job. I like very much go in the park. I have a lot of friends, and here in Craiova we have a fascinated park. We go to the cinema in the weekend. I like reading, and when I have time I like to go to the theater. I like cooking. I like to do cookies. There are some stuff about me, but this is all the things that I can tell you now. I hope we meet soon, and will be a friendly connection. Goodbye.
Thank you.